You are going to love the 2018 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tire pressure monitor, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.